It is I, the guy from the internet. This is Sky, the car from the internet. Yeah, no, a long time since the last decent video was made, but this is my 34. Yep, nah, it's in the shed for 18 months because I lost my license because I'm a fucking genius. However, it runs like shit at the moment, so we're just going to be doing some well-deserved maintenance. And yes, cheap and nasty. Yes, cheap and nasty. I don't want to be spending money on a good filter and oil when the car's going to be sitting here doing nothing. The battery isn't connected. And there is quite a few updates what need to be done on this car. Let's see how many kilometers it has. Oh. Things are making noises. Fair enough. 190,811 Ks, and the service is due. Yeah. Whoops. My bad. It is November right now, so I guess sort of I'm doing it right. I think. I need a bigger shed. Quick updates. It's got coilovers now. Front tying Super Street. I've also got XXR meshes and a space saver. I'll get the car out and do a update video later, but yeah, no. Right now we're just doing a service, so I'll jack it up, put it on stands, and yeah, you guys will be back with me in a groove. Alright, so I've got to move the car out a little bit so I can get to the jack stands, so you guys can listen to how bad it runs. Listen to how lumpy this thing is. If you look carefully, you can see the cannon dancing. Yeah, no, it's running like absolute shit. Alright, so pretty much I put the stand there and jacked from there. That's the sump. It looks very oily under there, fuck me. Oh, what the fuck? My sway bar has disconnected itself. I don't understand. And that one has not. Also, that's one of my Tyne Super Street coilovers. Yay! Car's broken in. Alright, so I'm sure you all know how to service a car, but struggle immensely with your non-dominant hand and continue struggling, and then it's no longer struggle. Oil cap and oil filter's easy on these. I say that. Right there. That blue boy. Easy to get to. For memory, same as a 31. So, I put the drain pan there. So I move the tripod all the way over here to the best of my abilities. And, yes, I'm not even going to record, you ain't going to see shit. Alright. So, filter's nearly off. Drain that into the pan. Drip it absolutely everywhere. Old filter. Chuck that in the screw, and then underneath the oil pan is a 14, I think. So let's find a way underneath the vehicle. Yeah, so like my toolbox, the badge off my 31, right there. Tools you're gonna need: a 14. A 14. It's been a while since I've serviced the car on the ground, hey. Oh fuck, it's tight. Ow! So yeah, I just like elbowed the plaster rod, but that's all sweet. No mess. It's black. It's black as hell. And now I do spark plugs. You have anything else to say about doing spark plugs mechanic correctly? Other than an awkward head shake? Cool. Prob's gonna piss corn everywhere. But we'll take that off. You drip corn onto the coil pack. Take this gun off. Piss corn on the coil pack again and dribble everywhere. You grab 2 spark plugs and shove it in the hole like that. Problem solved. They're 12s. Struts 14, I think. I only have to do that if you got a spray bar. You're in my way now, camera. Go. Now, intake comes off. So unplug the airflow meter. It's a flatted clamp thing up around this area. I'm going to turn it over there. Parts tray is a good idea. I've done this multiple times, so I know where shit goes. Unplug all the everythings. Sometimes I'll just unplug myself like that, even though it's got a clamp. They're going to be brittle because it's an old car. Like that one's broken. And you're going to want to take those 3 10mm out. Can you see them? No. Slowly, slowly, slowly. There you go. Focus. Why don't cameras know how to fine, they're fine. Then over here, you probably can't see, no. Yeah, those ones. Just take all them out. There's 4 at the top, 2 at the bottom. I'm gonna make satisfying noises.
Yeah, I think the camera can actually hear the ratchet.
I don't know when it dropped out, but it ran out of space apparently, so yeah, yes. And push stuff to the side. And disconnect the coils. They shouldn't be broken, but mine are, most of them. That's in the take spark plugs out. I got a thing and a thing. Sometimes you need the magnet, but this time I don't. So yay me. Okay, these are the spark plugs. Can you see that? Yes, NGK PFR 5G-11. These cost approximately your first child. For 6. You open the box like that, and then the spark plug comes out. This is a spark plug. Wow.
It's so clean.
Where's Owen Wilson when you need him? Wow.
Like, the ones he pulls out look so good.
And then you go, so, and you drop it in as hard as you can, making sure to break it as well. That's just your tech tip of the day. Wow. My N-word. Can you say it, the N-word on the internet? No? I'm sweating like a N-word pig. Haha, so. I need a ratchet. I now have a ratchet. Wow! Wow! Yeah!